Let's see how to edit and save GIF in Photoshop. Go to your Photoshop and click on File, Open, and open the GIF from your computer. So here we have our GIF. Now go to Window and enable timeline first of all. And this is your GIF timeline. If you want to play the GIF, you can just click on this play button to play the GIF. And then here you will find all of your GIF frames. For example, I want to edit this frame of this GIF. So I'm just selecting the frame and going to layer list. And under layer, here is the frame, exact frame currently I'm going to edit. So selecting the layer or frame, and then from this tool panel I'm selecting the brush tool and selecting a foreground color, and let's brush color here. For example, the same way I'm selecting this frame, and here is the layer. Now I can easily edit the GIF just like this. So once your editing finished, it's time to save or export. To do that, go to File, hover over on Export, and click on Save for Web Legacy. Here preset select GIF, and click on Save. Now type rename, save. Once your GIF saved, go to your File Explorer, and here is my GIF. As you can see, the GIF successfully edited.